Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we have more packages to open. Actually not too many, just 3 really exciting packages. And yeah, let's get straight into it. First is from Hong Kong and this is from my friend Clara. She helped me get something from Hong Kong and I think she added a few things inside. So I'm pretty excited because she was like, oh, you gotta open it. I have to message her because she needs to tell me something about this package. Really bad. What is she? Let's take a look. What do we have here? Oh my gosh. Let me just read it. She's so funny. Thank you, girl. I love this. Oh my gosh, just look at that Doraemon. Is he planting something in the ground? I don't know. Looks like he's planting something in the ground. I think so. Maybe it's magic. He gave me this really cute IKEA bag. How adorable is that? It's like the tiny IKEA bag that I use to hide my Chanel mini ratio. If you haven't watched that, I'll link it up here where I put my whole Chanel box inside a IKEA bag. So this is like a insider joke. It's kinda funny. What else? Oh my babe. This is like the holder to match my case. What? This is limited edition. Babe, thank you. Wait. Oh my gosh, it's like a treasure chest. What is this? What is this? I swear I don't know what did she put inside. Oh my gosh, thank you. Oh, thank you, that's gorgeous. Okay, let's do it. The hair's not that great right now, but I wonder, can it clip? It clips. Okay, I mean I didn't do it that well, but you know what? Let's just clip the hair. Thank you, girl. Thank you. Oh, I love this. I'm gonna use this right now. This is so cute. Is it like a little bag? Definitely, it's gonna be one of those pouches that is going to live inside my bag. We shall take this out of use. And I'm so excited. My God. Okay, this is what underneath all that wonderful things. Thank you, Clara. Is the 2 things that I asked her to help me buy. 2 Doraemon t-shirts. No way. Oh my gosh. Look at that. So cute. They did not come to Singapore. Stand by me. Did I ask her to buy this? I can't remember. I honestly can't remember now. I think this is the men's. So it's a bit bigger, but it's really comfortable. Uniqlo t-shirts are so comfortable. Oh, I love it. Thank you, Clara. Thank you so much for helping me get these. Oh my gosh. I just look at this. Look at these little. Look at that. It even is shaded. Oh my gosh, that is stinking cute. The other 2 things are PR packages. So this first one is from OrganizeMyBag. I think you probably, if you are, you know, on Instagram or on some YouTubes, you probably have seen other YouTubers reveal this. The company is based in the United States and I think it's in Florida. And they contacted me and asked me if I wanted to try some of their bag chains. They have bag chains, they have straps and all that. And I have tried from another eBay store called Crafty, which actually is really good. So when they contacted me, I became very curious about their stuff. So, oh wow, that's nice. It comes in bags like this. And this is good quality bags. Oh, it's kind of like, it's a bag thing. So I have 4 pieces here because I actually topped up and I wanted to try this. I think I had to top up for this particular piece. So let me show you what I got. Let me see. Wow. Okay, I got this piece for this bag. Wow, that's really nice. So I got this silver chain. This is like the thicker chain, and I got this to go with my Valicet BB. So let's try it out. So I thought it would be easier if I had the chain attached to the zips, and it would make it easier for me to open and close. Yeah, I think so. I think it might. Yeah. In a way, yeah. That's really good. Look. The only thing is it's not long enough. The only thing is not long enough. Okay, anyway, we will play with it. We'll figure it out. So that's the first thing that I got. Then, let's see the other one. Maybe I should pick the slightly longer one. Oh, wow. Okay, this is really nice. This is I think it's the thinner one. I think this would go really nice with my Palm Springs. Sorry, my Palm Springs. My mini pochette. I keep thinking my Palm Springs mini backpack. I think they would go so nice. Let me just try it now. Oh, that's so cute. Look at that. Obviously, this doesn't need it, like, because this comes with its own chain, like the original chain that comes with the LV bag. But I could also do this and get a shorter chain. That's kind of cute. Oh, that's nice as well. Look at that. If you wanted to use this as like a chain, you know, like something that you can shoulder, you probably need to get the longer one. I got the shorter strap, so that's cute. Okay, I've got one more. I've got one more chain, and I got the longer chain. Oh, that's nice. Okay, that's really nice. So the whole chain looks like this. That is beautiful. Wow. Okay, let me just put it on this bag. So this bigger pouch, because it doesn't have any lobster claws or any hooks, I needed to get something that would match it. And let's see. Oh, that is nice. Okay, let's take a look. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, this is the one that I'm pretty excited about. This is the Vaqueta strap. Oh my gosh, that is really good quality. Wow. Wow, that is really good quality. It has the embossing that says OrganizeMyBag. That is really good quality. Okay, you know what? I want to try it on this strap. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Oh, I love it. I love it. Check that out. And it's adjustable, so if you want to wear it shorter, you can wear it shorter. If you want to wear it longer. So I'm using the shortest hole, and they've got several lengths. But look at that, I've got a new bag. Look. Wow, this is a really good strap. If you have like the Speedy bag, like you want a new bandolier strap, or if you have maybe the, I don't know, like a Petite Noe, or any of those bags that maybe has D-rings that you could attach to, you could get one of these straps and really turn it. So definitely look, because it's not too thin, it gives that little bit more, I don't know, it's a little bit more comfortable. But of course, if you want to jazz it up, you could use the chains. Wow, thank you to OrganizeMyBag. I will leave the links to all of these items in the description section. You can check it out. It's free shipping in the US, but I think if you purchase above, I think $75 or something, they have free shipping internationally as well. So yeah, thank you again, and I'm definitely going to be enjoying this strap. I'm already thinking what bag to put it with. This last big one, this is from House of Sillage, and they sent the best packaging, and my gosh, I'm so honored to be on their, you know, PR list. So let's open this, because you know I love makeup and you never have enough. What? The best packaging ever, okay? Oh my gosh. Cut came out. Okay, so this is the collection, the Whispers in the Garden Bowl lipstick case collection. And they are launching new lipstick cases. Isn't she gorgeous? My gosh. These are the 4 lipstick cases that are going to be launched, and yes, it is already available on their website. Oh my gosh, look at that! Look at that! I am so excited for this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Inspiration and empowerment wrapped in an opulent beauty of the bow. Oh my gosh, look at that case. It's almost like suede. Comes with a purple dust bag. So this is like a lilac lavender color. Oh man, this is gonna be... I have like goosebumps, okay? I wish you could see like these goosebumps. They're all standing. This is incredible, people. Incredible. Just look at how gorgeous that lilac or lavender color is, and all the Swarovski crystals. It's this beautiful like light gold, or you know, a little bit darker than champagne gold, but it is so... Oh my God. Thank you, House of Sillage. This is just absolutely incredible. The one that I have is Whispers of Strength, so that's the one right here. So the other one, that's the green, there's gonna be a blue, and there's gonna be this beautiful like mandarin orange color. I think it's almost like pinky, but light, like peach. I would say peach, yeah. So beautiful. So I have 3 lipstick colors. It comes in this beautiful gold casing. Got 3 beautiful colors here right now. This is Prince, Queen, and Baron, and I love Baron. Baron looks like this beautiful peachy nude pink. I'm gonna use this in like one of those trying new makeup videos. Look at that, isn't that stunning? So again, thank you to House of Sillage for sending me these beautiful lipsticks. I'm definitely going to be enjoying them. In this case, stunning. So those are the packages that I received today. Thank you so much, and yes, you'll definitely be seeing me in my Doraemon t-shirts. Very excited to wear them. I think I might wear them in the upcoming live stream. Yes, I think I might. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and hit the notification bell as well. Otherwise, everybody take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!